Hello everyone. So what would be the expected objectives of this course? We're going to be learning essential techniques and platforms necessary to drive you traffic. What could be some of the tools that will help you drive traffic? And we will do practical exercises together on the flip sessions of this course. Then we're going to talk a little bit about content management structuring, just structuring, not the content management or content creation. This is a totally completely different art and science. And we won't be having the time to cover this. So for this purpose, guys, I'm going to just focus on the silo structure and the structure of links and structure of the pages of your blog. But in e-commerce, we want I will cover also a little bit about the structuring and about the canonical linking and all that. So I'm going to talk about the structuring of your website, importance of a neat structure, and how this will help in obtaining higher rankings or reaching higher rankings. We're going to, of course, cover the organic search engine marketing. We're going to talk about paid search, and hopefully we will be able to run some simulation or work with the Google Shopping and Google Paid Search to create a small campaign. And also I will talk about the art and science that goes into realizing the programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising is also known as display ads. Display ads doesn't give it its worth. So this is why I take the real worthy name of display ads, which is programmatic advertising. We're going to talk about a case study, but not the BBVA Compass. It's another case study for the return on investment. I'm sorry, I need to fix this this slide. Maybe I should just fix it right now with you guys. So we're going to talk about a case study, and this case study will cover the return on investment calculations. The more interesting case study and more Excel and calculations based. So basically objectives will be knowing more about the main concepts, main tools, the metrics, the computational formulas, these are ratios, the metrics, and also different methods and the strategies and case studies. You would need 2 to 3 hours of work per week outside class for this course. And please, if you have any problems with this course or you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me on my email, insharcast@tiu.ac.jp. Mention your name, your ID, and explain the problem or the issue, and I will be happy to either schedule a meeting with you over Zoom, see you during the class hour or through the office hour, or answer your question directly via email. Please always send me an email if you are not. Please always send me an email if you for some reason not going to come to class or you are facing any problems with your group members. So the main topics here is we're going to start with the HTML, a little bit learning about the HTML language. You won't be required or asked to memorize anything. I won't give you a quiz on it, but it will be just a small assignment to make sure that you completed the work. And the work does not requires a lot of memory. It's not memory based, but I want to make you feel a little bit comfortable looking at what the browser or the crawler looks at. So the crawler is an algorithm that reads your website, and they don't read the website that you see with your bare eyes, but they actually read the code in the background. So I just wanted you to have a little bit of an understanding of the code and not feel uncomfortable or scared handling the code. Then we're going to talk about key phrase analysis and how to drive traffic to your blog or to your site or to your election campaign or. Then we're going to cover also on-site and off-site optimization, and also take a quiz for this first module. Second module will be about paid search mostly. So we're going to cover paid search. We're going to also cover a case study. So the first module will be heavy on activities with the group. So you're going to work with your group on activities to actually conduct a kind of step-by-step keyword activities. In the second module, we're going to focus on case study analysis. So now we have a little bit different skill to develop, which is the discussion of a case study and actually putting yourself in a position where you're working in a digital marketing task. And the third one will be all focused on programmatic advertising. Over here, I will try my best to show you more of a practical campaigns and creation of practical campaigns. If we have some more time, I will take you through creating a Facebook campaign or other social media campaigns. So in general, the assessment will be 60% on quizzes, 20% per quiz, 3 quizzes, and the assignments will account for 40%. The assignments will be, of course, I have on my slides that I don't have assignments mentioned here, but for every flip meeting that we're doing together on Fridays, I will have certain assignments for you to complete, and you have to do it by the deadline, which is Sunday. Please understand that the syllabus is subject to change. I might stretch it and give more, or I might shrink it, because it depends on how we progress through this semester. It's our first experience teaching with the hybrid mode and the flip learning. So I hope everything goes well and we cover the syllabus and even cover more information other than the syllabus. For the attendance code, for those students who are in Japan and attending the class, I ask you to come on time, and please remember to log in your attendance code. That is a must. If you forget once or twice, it's okay. I will do it manually, and sometimes I forget to do it manually, and it's okay because I have other things to do. But please make sure that the best way to make sure that your attendance is set up correctly is by doing it on time yourself and not forgetting to log in the attendance code. Please, if you have any questions or any concerns about the course, ask me in class on Tuesday when we're meeting up together in person, or send me an email, or just attend my office hour, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, welcome to the course. I hope we will all enjoy it this semester. It's always one of the bestest courses I deliver at TIU, and I get very high evaluation from the students. Students always satisfied with the material. Sometimes they say, I teach too much, I give too much, but don't worry, I also provide the necessary support. I understand that I give too much, but I also provide the necessary support. So don't worry, I'll always be there for you guys. Also on Fridays, when we have the flip learning, I will do my best to be there on Zoom, but I will not be able to give and deliver a lecture on Zoom, but I will be there in case you have any questions, concerns, discussion, and anything. I can be there for you and have a very healthy student-teacher relationship throughout the course. Thank you so much for choosing to take this course with me, and I will see you soon on Tuesday. Goodbye for now.